hello to Birch Bear, Briar Bunny, and Flora Fox, our Aroma Plush Pals and Pal Clips. They each have plush fur that makes them soft, squishy, and totally snuggable. And the Pal Clips attach easily to your backpack or bag. What makes the Aroma Plush Pals and Pal Clips unique is the Velcro pouch with a safety scent cartridge inside. The cartridge allows you to apply a few drops of Plant Therapy's Woodland Retreat Kid Safe Essential Oil Blend or another Kid Safe blend on a felt pad and secure it safely inside the toy. Then, when your little one snuggles up with their Aroma Plush Pal or has their Pal Clip nearby, they'll be surrounded by their favorite Kid Safe blend. Each Aroma Plush Pal comes with a 10 ml bottle of Woodland Retreat. This blend combines cedarwood, orange, balsam fir, green mandarin, and chamomile for an uplifting aroma that helps promote a calm feeling for your little one or for you.